Elon Musk has been hailed as a genius. He's also been dubbed a modern day Tony Stark. And at this point, few would deny that he is a talented entrepreneur. However, some amount of his notoriety is the result of his antics, especially his performances on the social media platform like Twitter. In 2018, on the day of April Fool, Musk sent out a series of posts on Twitter that joked that Tesla has gone bankrupt. While some analysts and investors haven't found Musk's viral internet fame very entertaining, he's been lauded by others of his willingness to engage with the public on a shared forum. Musk is also behind more than one company that has disrupted its respective industry. A list of some of Musk's best investment includes PayPal Holdings Incorporation, SpaceX, DeepMind, Tesla Incorporation, and The Boring Company. Musk is the CEO and co-founder of Tesla and the CEO and lead designer at SpaceX. As of Jan 26, 2021, when I am creating this video, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, he has an estimated total net worth of approx $209 billion, surpassing Jeff Bezos as the richest person in the world right now. Now let's talk about PayPal for a minute. PayPal has a notable roster of executives and investors. The popular online payment system provides an electronic alternative to the traditional paper methods like the checks and the money orders. PayPal's co-founders include Ken Horry, co-founder of Founders Fund and former US ambassador to the Kingdom of Sweden, Max Levchin, an early investor in Yelp and the founder and CEO of the Affirm Corporation, and Peter Thiel, co-founder of Palantir Technologies and Founders Fund. Musk no longer holds a stake in the PayPal. He exited his position after the e-commerce company eBay purchased PayPal for a whopping $1.5 billion back in the 2002. Musk reportedly earned $180 million in this sale. In 1999, Musk used $10 million to co-found X.com, an online financial services and the email payment company. A year later, the company merged with Confinity, which was later renamed as PayPal in 2001. Musk is the biggest shareholder and CEO of SpaceX also. Musk used much of the proceeds of his PayPal sale to found Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, which is commonly known as the SpaceX. By his own account, Musk spent $100 million to found SpaceX in 2002. SpaceX has been a remarkable success, both financially and in its technological innovations. NASA awarded SpaceX with a lucrative contract in the year 2006, and in 2009, SpaceX launched Falcon 1, the first ever private liquid propellant rocket to reach the orbit. In 2010, SpaceX Dragon spacecraft reached the International Space Station, and in 2012, NASA granted SpaceX a second contract to help shuttle crew members between the ISS and the Earth. SpaceX is a private company, so determining its valuation is somewhat difficult. In 2019, SpaceX raised $1.33 billion from 3 rounds of funding, and in Feb 2020, people familiar with the financing of the company told CNBC that SpaceX was seeking to raise $250 million at a price of $220 per share. This would raise the value of SpaceX to around $36 billion, up from $33.3 billion previously. It is one of the most valuable private companies in the world, and it ranks almost the most in demand or any pre-IPO companies. Musk is still the largest shareholder and the CEO of SpaceX, and the company is now worth far more than the $100 million that Musk originally invested to form the company. If the company was ever taken public, it is likely that Musk would earn a huge sum of money. Third company is founded by Musk is Deep Technologies. The artificial intelligence company DeepMind Technologies was launched in late 2010 with Musk as one of its key angel investors. In Jan of 2014, Google announced it had acquired the company for an undisclosed amount, but it was speculated that the sale was somewhere between $400 to $600 million. Musk is famously worried about artificial intelligence overtaking humans, and he is reported to have invested in DeepMind not to take money, but to give him a window into how fast the technology behind artificial intelligence was developing. The company has focused much of its research on deep reinforcement learning. Deep reinforcement learning is an artificial intelligence technique that combines deep learning, primarily used for recognizing patterns, with reinforcement learning, geared around learning based on reward signals, such as a score in a game. DeepMind gave this technique its name in 2013 in a paper, which represented a breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence. DeepMind hasn't found any successful commercial applications of deep reinforcement learning yet, although Alphabet has applied the technique internally as a method of reducing power cost for cooling the Google servers. Musk founded the infrastructure and tunnel construction company, The Boring Company, in late 2016. The company was founded on the premise that traffic is awful. When there is miles and miles of unused earth beneath roadways, then traveling above ground isn't necessary. The company's goal is to reduce the cost of tunneling while also speeding up production. Boring Company hopes to achieve this by making smaller tunnels and creating its own high-power boring machines. In the 2020, the Boring Company has projects underway in Hawthorne, California, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Chicago, Baltimore, and the Washington DC. To fund the project, Musk announced that he would start selling the Boring Company branded hats. On December 16, 2017, Musk announced that he had sold 42,000 hats and raised $840,000 through those selling. After hitting his goal of selling 50,000 hats, Musk began selling the next branded Boring Company product, a flamethrower. Musk sold his flamethrowers for just $500, and within a matter of few days, Musk has raised an unbelievable amount of $10 million from this. In July 2019, it was announced that the Boring Company had received its first outside funding. The company raised $120 million by selling shares of its stock to early-stage venture capitalist firm. Prior to the round of funding, in May 2019, the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority approved a $48.6 million proposal from the Boring Company to build an underground tunnel called the LVCC Loop that will travel underneath the Las Vegas Convention Center and feature 3 stations and a pedestrian tunnel. In Feb of 2020, the Boring Company finished the first of the 2 planned funnels in the loop. The project is anticipated to cost around $52.5 million. Also in the early 2019, the Boring Company released a 505-page report that detailed their plan to construct a link between Washington DC and Baltimore via a high-speed transit system. So guys, these are the companies where Musk invested his money heavily. If you found this video knowledgeable, then please make sure to press that like button and support our channel. And also make sure to subscribe for more financial content. Thanks for watching our video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a nice day.